Craving a flavorful appetizer that's quick and delicious? Look no further. Hello everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. This is Shirley. In this video, I will show you how to make this delicious tandoori chicken legs that are air fried to perfection and served with a flavorful Arabian dip. This recipe is a perfect blend of Indian and Middle Eastern flavors, creating a unique and mouth-watering dish that is sure to impress your family and friends. Well, to make the tandoori chicken legs, we'll marinate the chicken in a blend of yogurt and some spices, giving it a rich and aromatic flavor. Then we will air fry the chicken until it's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. This can also be oven baked and deep fried or pan fried. The Arabian dip is made with a combination of tahini, lemon juice, and sumac, adding a creamy and tangy element to the dish. Sumac is tangy and deep with a hint of earthy sweetness and floral citrus notes. You just have to try a pinch to know. Some describe it as a dry acid, but it also works a bit like salt in that it brings out the natural flavors of a given food. Well, you can also substitute sumac spice. Given its tart, acidic flavor, sumac is best substituted with lemon zest, lemon pepper dressing, lemon juice, or vinegar. It's that simple. It's a perfect accompaniment to the spicy tandoori chicken legs. Whether you're looking for a new recipe to try or just want to switch up your usual dinner routine, this tandoori chicken legs with an Arabian dip recipe is a must try. The traditional way of cooking tandoori chicken legs may not be possible at home, so we're taking it up a notch. The combination of crunchy air fried chicken legs and tangy creamy sauce is a game changer for your taste buds. So shake up your appetizers routine with a simple yet flavorful dish, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. Once the chicken is done, serve it hot with some salad on the side, some tortilla chips for a deliciously satisfying meal that's bursting with flavor. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay connected and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such recipes and cooking tips. Happy cooking, guys. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen.